In this video, I'll show you how to remove an app from the home screen without uninstalling the app. You still have the app, but it's not taking space on the home screen. If you want to keep the home screen on your phone with less icons here, you have an option where you can move the app on the second screen. So I can long press on it and I could move it on the second screen. So now here this space is free if I wanted to. Also, there is the option to remove the app from the home screen as it is. So you have the option to remove or uninstall. Remove will only remove this icon from the home screen while keeping the app, and uninstall will remove it completely. So I'll try to remove. I'll show you now that the Waze app is still installed on my Samsung Galaxy Android phone by opening the app drawer, and I search for Waze and I'll find it. So I'm searching for Waze and I can find it, and I can long press on the app, add to home screen, and it's back to the home screen. If I wanted to, this is the option to add it to the home screen like that. I hope this helps you. So I will remove it again, remove, and it's not on the home screen again. So now it's not on the home screen and there is space for other apps. I hope this helps you remove the apps without uninstalling them. Thanks for watching.